Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side the energies of the person you are thinking about or you are dealing with. Please feel free to pick your sides and swap the characters according to your situation, and there will be a mutual energy or the outcome of the situation, at least in the current situation. So let's see whatever is there for you. And if this reading does not resonate with you, as they are general readings, so they won't resonate with each and every one of you, you can check your moon sign and you can check your name sign. And for the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see what we have for Aquarians. The Three of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune on their side, and the Ace of Pentacles as the mutual energy. Okay, so here with the Three of Pentacles, what I feel here is that you have elevated your status in some way, shape or form, and perhaps you are I think you've leveled up yourself in this situation or in this relationship. In some way, shape or form, you've leveled up. Improved your status or something. It can, or they have sort of, you've done something that they look up to you, they admire you, whatever. It can be that. And over here with the Wheel of Fortune, this is something that this on this side, this person wants things to happen. This person wants things to move forward. Okay, they want a new beginning over here. They want things to move ahead in this relationship. And here with the outcome is the Ace of Pentacles. So definitely there is a new beginning, and there is a commitment, a stable commitment, and a long-term relationship over here. Now let's see what's there under the cards. Okay, the Sun card, the Seven of Wands, and the Five of Cups. So what I feel here is that there has been something over which you were depressed and upset and reluctant, and you have struggled over something. Whatever this situation was, maybe you've struggled in this relationship, maybe it was something from the past, and then you have come out of it. And with the Sun card, you are very, very happy, and that is what you have leveled up. That is what you are leveled up, and that is why you are being admired for this struggle which you have done, whatever this struggle was in your life. So you have come out of this negativity, you have struggled to come out of this negativity or this upset situation, whatever it was, and you are now happy. So this is how you've leveled up, whatever this struggle was for you, and that is why you are being admired by your partner in this situation. Let's see what's there for you, for your partner. King of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and the wow, marriage is there, a new beginning, and that is what this person wants. They want a movement forward, and that is what is happening with the King of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and the Empress. Definitely a new beginning and a marriage, nothing less. It definitely a commitment, at least a commitment for marriage and a new beginning. Nothing else to be said over here, Aquarians. Now let's see. That is what this person wants. It's on their partner, on your partner side. That's what they want. Let's see the outcome. Let's follow. Six of Pentacles, the King of Wands, and the Two of Pentacles. So the mutual energy, though, is stable and a long-term relationship over here, but in some way, shape or form, there is some sort of a decision which is being taken. Some sort of balance has to be made, some sort of decision has to be, there are some certain things which needs to be thought over, perhaps some sort of indecision is still there. So I think though happiness is there on this person's side, and this person wants a commitment and a new beginning, and they want marriage, but it is there, but I think it will take some things need to be sorted out and balanced before this new beginning happens. Okay, some decisions have to be made, some things have to be sorted out before this manifests as the Ace of Pentacles. So Aquarius, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.